Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Muhammad Yasir. I'm a software engineer currently working in Soft BD Limited as Director Marketing. Today we are going to see how to install Mac OS Big Sur. So before we install, we need to go to betaprofiles.com/install/Mac OS/11, and after clicking there, the download will automatically be here. All we need to do is just click on the download and install it. So I've already installed this in my computer before, so I'm not going to install it once again. So all we do is double click this, and the installation process will come. You just need to follow the process. Once you complete the installation process, okay. So over here now we have to go and check system preference, and we have to go to software updates. So it will check if my software is up to date. If not, then it will provide the Mac OS Big Sur, and then we can download it from here. So mine is already downloaded, so I think my downloaded was here. So yeah, so now we are going to install Mac OS Big Sur beta version. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to install in my Hakintosh HD. We'll click next, and it says continue, and you give your master password, and the installation will begin. So yeah, now let's wait and see how it gets installed.